أنا دايما بستنى على قلبي ما أغلى، يا رب بلغنا طول ريحة طلة رمضان.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وأني قايد الله كسر هذا channel كان أحمد دارو قدني. فضلا لايك ريب فيديو كان سبسكرايب ندي channel كادي أتوقع سبتاعي.
When people don't know, they cannot make the right estimation. When people don't know, they will say things out of ignorance. You see, if a gorilla escaped from the zoo and he broke into a store and killed some people, they would not arrest the gorilla and take him to court, because the gorilla is an animal that does not have intelligence. So you know, the people, when they made those cartoons in Denmark, it's like a gorilla. They were sitting down someplace smoking a joint. You know, they were drinking a beer. Or maybe they were snorting some cocaine. And they made some cartoons and they said to the other guy, "Hey man, how does this look?" He said, "Hey man, it's nice, run it." But because they were silly, because they were ignorant, they had no idea of the love that 1.6 billion people in the world have for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So they didn't understand the storm that would come as a result of just that stupid act. They understand now. You feel me? So we don't hold them completely responsible because of their ignorance, but we hold the Muslims of Denmark responsible, because before that time, Muslims of Denmark, they themselves had not expounded, they hadn't clarified, they haven't educated the people of Denmark about who that man was. Otherwise, they wouldn't have done that. And you young Muslims especially, when you're in school, when you're on the job, in your neighborhoods, when you want to talk with somebody, talk to them about the Quran, but you yourself should understand what is the Quran. Talk to them about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but you yourself should understand who is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Talk to them about Islam, but you yourself need to know what is Islam.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
طعم الدنيا اتغير، فرحة قلبي